Can you please present yourself briefly?
My name is Jutta Keller. I'm a gastroenterologist working at the Israelitisches Hospital in Hamburg, which is a tertiary care center for patients with motor disorders of the GI tract and functional GI diseases. I'm head of the Neurogastroenterology lab and of the day clinic which we have for these patients.
Why have you chosen to work in the field of neurogastroenterology?
The first time I came across neurogastroenterology was during my doctoral thesis. I worked on the interactions between small bowel motility and pancreatic enzyme secretion during digestion of a normal meal in healthy volunteers. And I was fascinated by the fact how we could understand this interaction, how close it was, and how highly regulated gastrointestinal functions actually are. During my later career, I'm still fascinated by the ability to make contractions, functions of the GI tract visible, and to understand the patient's symptoms, who frequently have completely normal endoscopic findings, for instance, and normal laboratory findings otherwise.
Why should a young gastroenterologist start a career in neurogastroenterology?
A career in neurogastroenterology is worthwhile because there are so many patients who suffer from symptoms which are still not understood, who require treatment and more research actually to improve treatment options. There's a huge amount of research options for inquisitive young investigators. There's also already investigations which can detail contractility of the esophagus, for instance, but also of the antrum and the small bowel. That's what you can see behind me, where investigations of secretion and absorption, which are very detailed and which allow to understand patient symptoms.
What is the role of ESNM in your opinion?
In my opinion, the European Society of Neurogastroenterology and Motility serves as an international platform where researchers as well as clinicians can meet to discuss new research projects as well as problems they may have with investigations, how to perform them, how to interpret the finding, how to optimize what they are doing, and obviously also how to treat the patient. Therefore, the generation of guidelines is one of the main objectives of ESNM, but we also have a research board for coordination of research projects.